Alright guys, we're going to do some basic maintenance videos here really quick. And we are going to replace the PCV valve on here. Don't think it's been replaced. If it has, it's been a long time. Here's the new one. This is pretty simple to do. What you're going to do is pop this out by hand. You just wiggle it. And then you're going to get a pair of needle nose pliers, or whatever kind of pliers you want to use, whatever's easiest for you. And we are going to pop this off and put the new one on. So see if I can get a good setup for you right here. I might even be able to get it off my hand. Nah, it's old and pretty tight, so hold on. Alright, so forgive my hands if they're in the way, because like I said, I'm only working with a phone. So what I do is I grab it, I just kind of pinch the hose and twist it. Usually we'll break it loose, but this one's been in there for some time, like I said. So let's see if I can get it spinning. So I don't want to break the old hose, because then I'll have to replace the new one. Yeah, let's try a flathead. Alright, I'm going to try to push this back with a little small flathead screwdriver, because I can already see a rip in the hose, but luckily I think it's where it's at a point where it's not going to hurt it. There we go. See how I did that? Just a little small flathead screwdriver. And if you can hear, I'm shaking this, you should hear this rattle. It's solid stuck. So like I said, it's not too hard. There is a little hole in the hose, but where it's at should already be past the plastic, so should be good to go. Hopefully, if it gives me any issues, I'll just replace the hose. But like I said, this is the blue beater CRV. As long as it works, I'm good. If it was the other ones, I would be replacing the whole hose. Alright. And that's it. You just push it back down in there. Nothing really to it, other than if your hose is that old and dry rotted, you might want to replace it. But yeah, that's PCV valve on a B20 Honda. There's plenty of other Hondas that the PCV valve is on the top. Some are on the back in a little canister, I believe, like on the GSR. So that's a little bit more difficult to get to, but same concept. So that's how you do a PCV valve, guys. You want to change it. This one I picked up from O'Reilly's, but you can find them anywhere. Order them online, pick them up from any auto parts store. Generally, they're always in stock. So